Yeah, I'm aware of that.
So, if you have to share your opinion on that incident, what do you think?
I mean, the person who was making the jokes about Will Smith's wife, he shouldn't have done that. I mean, it was a little offending. So yeah, I think it was like both of their faults. It takes two to tango, so we cannot really blame just one person. The person who made the joke shouldn't have made the joke, and Will Smith shouldn't have reacted in that way because it was very controversial. He shouldn't have just slapped the
From
guy.
Mandeep, and I'm from Mumbai. What about you?
Okay, so my name is Arundhati Roktima, and I am from the city of Bhilai in the state of Chhattisgarh.
Okay, okay. So, what do you do?
I'm a student and I study in ninth grade.
Ninth grade. Okay, okay. That's great. Okay, so are you aware about the session notes?
Yes, I went through it.
Okay. So, it's about public shows and events,
Hmm.
I guess, right? So, do you like watching reality shows or award shows or anything like that?
I'm not really fond of them. I don't really watch many shows.
Okay. So, what do you like to watch? What do you watch?
So sometimes I watch some cartoons when I'm free, and also some what should I say? Even sometimes when I'm really bored, I try to watch award shows that are mainly about music, like the Grammys and everything.
Grammys.
Hmm.
Okay, okay. So, you like to watch cartoons in your free time?
Yeah. Yes, sometimes.
Okay. What about, so you like musical award shows, you said?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So, when was the last time you watched a musical award show?
I think it was in February. I watched the Grammys of this year, 2023.
2023. You watched it?
Yes.
Okay. So, how was your experience? Tell me about what things did you like, what did you not like?
It was all right. I mean, I did not watch the full show. I just watched some parts of it, and it was nice. Like many people won the awards, and it was okay. I did not find it good or bad, neither good nor bad.
Okay. So, any favorite artists or anyone you like or follow?
Harry Styles, have you heard about him?
Harry Styles.
Yeah.
So when when you look at these awards, people always have their favorites, like he should win or should win. So how was it according to you? Do you think did you like the people who won the awards, or did you have different opinion?
Okay, so some of my favorite artists won the awards, and it was okay. I enjoyed the show, and moreover, it was all right. I did. There was nothing exciting about it for me.
Okay, okay. So what about movies? Do you watch any movies or shows as such?
Sometimes I do watch some shows, and I know about the Oscars as well of this year.
Oh, Oscars. Okay. So were you able to see the movie that won the awards? Are you aware about that?
I did not see the full show, but I am aware that India won two Oscars this year, and one was for the best song. That was the Natu Natu song, and I think the other one was a documentary. I think the Elephant Whisperers, I suppose.
Yes, right, right, right. Yes. So you usually watch Oscars, or this was just a randomly you watched?
Some randomly, I'm not really fond of watching Oscars.
Okay. So have you ever attended any such event or concert in your life?
Not yet.
Okay. So if you get a chance, what kind of concert or event you would like to attend?
So I would love to go for any concert of any pop artist. I really love listening to pop songs and all that. But concert tickets are very high priced.
Okay. So what do you think? Do you think it's worth paying that much money for concerts, or do you think it's better to just listen to them on your phones and television?
So in my opinion, concerts are a very exhilarating experience. So if you really want to enjoy that experience and if you want to see how the concert goes, then you can go. It is worth it. But sometimes when you have gone to too many concerts, like at least 3 or 4, then you don't really need to go to anymore. You can just listen to the songs on your phone or any device.
Okay, so you're saying you should just experience it once just to know how it is, then
Yeah.
it's good, but not good for frequent visits.
Yeah.
Okay. So have you ever been in any crowded, like anywhere where there was a big public event, there were a lot of people or anything like that?
Not really. I haven't really been to a public event, but I did once go to a temple in Kolkata. I can't remember the name, but it was very crowded there.
Oh, okay, okay. So it was a temple.
Yeah, I think it was around the Durga Puja time, and that's why it was very crowded. I think the name was Kali Ghat.
Kali Ghat.
Yeah.
So how was your experience? If you have to tell me some positives and negatives.
Okay, so the experience was amazing. We got to see the whole temple. It was an amazing temple. It was very beautiful, but there were a lot of bad things that also happened. We felt really suffocated there because it was just so crowded. And also, I think my mom lost her watch because it was so crowded, so it just broke from her wrist. And it was just a bustling crowd there, and it was very crowded, I would say.
Okay. So do you prefer events which are not crowded or like
Yeah,
that?
I love places that are not crowded, but sometimes a little bit of crowd is okay, but not too much of crowd.
Okay. What about cricket? There are people are crazy about attending live cricket matches and stuff
Yeah.
like that. So, what is your opinion about that?
Mm, so my opinion is very similar to the concert opinions that if you want to see the whole experience, if you want to just experience it, then you can go once or twice. But more than that, I don't think it is worth the money because you can just watch the same thing on your TV.
Okay. Speaking about Oscars, there's been a lot of controversy happening in Oscars. So, are you aware about the one that happened, I think, in the last Oscars?
No, I'm not really aware of that.
Okay, I think where Will Smith he slapped someone.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Mhm.
Are you aware about that?
Yeah, I'm aware of that.
So, if you have to share your opinion on that incident, what do you think?
I mean, the person who was making the jokes about Will Smith's wife, he shouldn't have done that. I mean, it was a little offending. So yeah, I think it was like both of their faults. It takes two to tango, so we cannot really blame just one person. The person who made the joke shouldn't have made the joke, and Will Smith shouldn't have reacted in that way because it was very controversial. He shouldn't have just slapped the guy.
Okay. So, what do you think could have been the right reaction in that situation?
Anything but not to slap him. He could have just told him that don't make that joke again, or just don't talk like that, or something like that, maybe.
Okay. So, he could have just communicated and expressed
Yeah.
his disagreement or the whatever, like if resentment towards that, right?
Yeah.
So, what else do you like to do? What are your hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time?
I love to sing and also dance, and I love painting.
Sing and dance and painting. Okay. So, have you learned painting from anywhere as such, or just on your own? Are you attending any class?
No, just on my own.
Just on your own. Okay. What about singing and dancing?
I am learning Hindustani classical music, and I've been doing that for the last 2 or 3 years, I think.
Okay, so you've been learning that.
Yes.
Okay, okay. And what about dancing?
I used to learn Kathak, but I have stopped learning Kathak now.
Okay. Any reason?
I think my exams came up and I took a break for 1 month and I never restarted it again.
Okay, okay, okay. So you just took a break. So what form of dancing do you like the most?
I really love classical dances. I'm really fond of Kathak and Bharatnatyam.
Okay. So any dancers that you follow or anything like that?
Not really. I just love to watch performances of any Kathak dance or Bharatnatyam dance. I don't really have any favorite performer.
So have you watched any shows of Kathak or any dance in real?
I have seen some videos on YouTube and platforms like that, but I haven't really seen any like a whole show.
You haven't seen anything in real reality. You
Yeah,
haven't
yeah.
seen any.
Mm,
Okay. So you said you like classical singing
yes.
and dance. Okay. So what do you like about it? What are some benefits you think of practicing arts like this?
So they are just skills that you can learn throughout your life, and when you know a few skills, you can means your life is not boring anymore because when you just work and study all the time, your life becomes very monotonous. But when you start doing any extra activities and learning skills, then your mind freshens up and you can just enjoy by singing or dancing. So it is really nice to take a break from your monotonous life.
Okay. So it helps you. So sometimes people also think that these days kids are doing so many things that it becomes difficult to manage, stuff along with
Yeah.
the studies and everything. So how is it with you?
So it's going on nice, but I just spend around half an hour or 1 hour on just like all on alternate days, so I'm able to manage it nicely.
Okay, so you don't feel overburdened or overwhelmed with the things that
Not
you
at
have.
all.
Okay, okay, that's great. Awesome. Okay, I think we're almost done with our discussion. So, if I have to share any feedback with you, I can say that something that you can work on would be a bit more of vocabulary, okay, while
Yeah.
speaking. So, what you can do for vocabularies, first is you know that we have a notes section, right? There we have vocabulary for every class, right? So
Yeah.
you can definitely go through that and try to use as many words as possible from there in the class during the conversation.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you can you can take a screenshot maybe with the meaning, keep it in front of you, or note down the important words and keep them in front of you with meaning. And then while
Yeah.
speaking, whatever you think you can use in the class, you can use them. Okay.
Okay.
So when you're learning a word, always practice sentences with it to understand, like, for example, if something we find something that hurts our sentiments, we can call it offensive, right?
Yeah.
So very offensive, right?
Hmm.
So like that. So how to use the word? So there is something called offending, that is different. Offensive is different. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.